TLE Technical Drafting Review. Question number 1. This department order states the required training and accreditation of personnel regarding occupational health and safety. The correct answer is letter C. DOLA Department Order Number 16. Number 2. This personnel in charge is the one who spearheads the planning, organizing, directing, controlling, and evaluating of the various activities in a construction department. The correct answer is letter B. The construction manager. Number 3. This type of verbal communication presents an overall avoidant demeanor to avoid possible conflict. The correct answer is letter A. Passiveness. Number 4. These are used to evaluate the performance of a worker in their respective jobs. The correct answer is letter C. Performance appraisals. Number 5. This personnel in charge is the one who is responsible for the overall architectural or engineering activities of a firm. The correct answer is letter C. The head architect or the head engineer. Number 6. An office meeting is an example of what type of verbal communication? The correct answer is letter A. Group verbal communication. Number 7. These are used to achieve institutional goals. The correct answer is letter B. Key performance indicators, or KPIs. Number 8. The following must be avoided when verbally communicating, except for. The correct answer is letter C. Assertiveness. Number 9. The following are the duties and responsibilities of a draftsperson, or CAD operator except for. The correct answer is letter C. Researching about and analyzing the area where the building will be built is the job of the engineer. Last question, number 10. The accessibility law is also known as the BA TAS Pamban Sa B Lang number blank. The correct answer is letter D. It is B Lang number 344. That is all for this video. Thank you for watching.